managed to maintain his position thanks to his skill and vast experience. Impact of the victorious victory strengthened Hamilton's position in the World Drivers' Championship and added more excitement to the competition.